Carla with TCS, and this is the fourth in our series of short videos on TCS controls and the Ubiquity Cloud. Today, we will be talking about how our control system is installed on site and how those controls communicate to Ubiquity. We also will touch base on how simple those controls are to configure and start up, and how Ubiquity performs many of the commissioning tasks for you automatically, saving you hours of time and money on the installation. The parts are simple. We start with a building manager like our new QD5040 Advantage. It is pre-programmed and pre-configured by TCS at our factory before it ships. This makes getting the site online as easy as possible. Just power it up, plug in an Ethernet cable, and call TCS tech support to confirm it's online. Since it was already pre-programmed for you, TCS tech support will confirm the site is online, and Ubiquity will automatically create a new site. All that work is done for you automatically. Next, thermostats, monitoring devices, and other controls communicate to the building manager through a simple 3-wire cable that's daisy-chained from device to device and terminated at the building manager. The building manager auto-detects all the controls, then sends that information to the Ubiquity Cloud. Ubiquity then automatically creates the icons and graphic displays for each new control, as well as the programming and monitoring pages. It couldn't be more simple or take less time. TCS also has thermostats that communicate on the BACnet IP protocol via Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection can use the client's public router or a new dedicated router. Just plug in the TCS building manager to our BACnet router, then into the site's Wi-Fi router. As part of the startup wizard, the Wi-Fi router is discovered on each Wi-Fi thermostat, similar to how you would connect your smartphone. Choose the network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and confirm that it is connected. And just as easily as on the wired network, the building manager auto-detects the controls and sends that information to Ubiquity. Once all the controls are communicating to the building manager, just go to Ubiquity, where the site has already been built for you. Then, all you need to do is name the controls, do some final programming and commissioning, apply a schedule, and create access for any users. You know, our tagline here at TCS is "The Genius is Simple." And you can see how we try to carry that philosophy through the entire company. Controls, networking, and cloud software that are cutting edge and sophisticated, but really simple to install, commission, and use. To find out more about TCS and Ubiquity, just visit our website, our YouTube channel, or give us a call. It truly is the genius of simple.